Hi and welcome. In this video, I will show you how to use our frequency app, our frequency generation app. So if you have, or if you prefer to use it on your phone, you can download the iOS app here or the Android app. If you want to use it on your computer, on your desktop, you just go to the web version here. So I will just click on the web app. First of all, we give you the opportunity to tell us what you want to achieve. So let's say you want to increase your sleep quality, you want to relax more, you want to have more general wellness, or also increase your physical comfort. You just click whatever you want. Then I click on continue. Then we ask you, do you have experience with frequency healing? You can say, are you new or whatever you pick. I pick here, I am new, and I continue. Then we ask you, how do you sleep? Do you have challenges sleeping? And I just click here and continue. In the last step, you can just fill out your name here. You arrive now at the dashboard and you see these frequencies we have generated based on what you told us in the onboarding. And we will show you every day or a couple of days new suggestions for what you have told us. So the dashboard contains basically three main parts here: the browse library, frequency generator playlist. You can get my free book here. If you just click on it, you will be able to download the PDF or the Kindle version. And the first thing you can do, you can just click on the browse library button. And you will see we have listed the most common frequencies on top. So you have here anxiety, depression, inflammation, migraine, weight loss, and so on. So you can click on any of them and just play it. So I will just click on the first one to show it to you. You arrive here in this example at the anxiety page, and you can just simply play it. How can you use it? You can use it with headphones, or you can use it with our devices. You can also use it if you have a different Tesla machine or different Rife machine or whatever you have. The specifics you can change here is you can change how the audio will be generated. So basically sequential means if we have more than one frequencies, here you see we have two frequencies in the anxiety frequency set. So in the sequential, there will be first the 304 frequency played and then the 6130. And this will be lasting for 5 minutes, and we play sine waves. If you want to change this, you can also play it in layered mode. That means all the frequencies are played together. Or you can play it in sweep mode, meaning you will sweep from 304 to 6130. So all the frequencies will basically be covered. You can also change the mode here, so you can change the waves. We have it on sine wave. You can also put square wave, triangle wave, throat wave, whatever you want. You can change the time and you can enhance it. So if you have devices from us, any KYMA devices, you can go ahead and exactly switch it on. Here you have PEMF optimized, so it will work together with the device better. You can also put the earth resonance in the background, or you can enhance it harmonically. You can also download it, but I just want to show you the basic things you can do in this tutorial. We will go much deeper in a different tutorial. Here in the overview, it's also saying optimized. What does it mean? So we algorithmically look at every frequency and we'll look how should we actually deliver it to you. And in this case, the algorithm decided that for anxiety, the best thing we can do is actually use triangle waves, use 20 minutes, and use layered mode. So this is what helps you to know how long you should do this and what settings you should use. Then, of course, you can search. So if you have pain, you just search here and everything with pain will come up. You can also search much more specifically, of course. And every time you see all the frequencies here, you have the opportunity to add it to a playlist. I will show you that later. You can favorite it so you will find it easy. You can also share it with loved ones or family members. So just click here and the link will be copied and you can share it. So this is the library. There are many more settings. You have lots of filters here, but I can't show you everything now in this basic tutorial. What is important still I want to show you is here, if you don't have any devices, for example, if you don't have any Rife devices, if you don't have any of our KYMA devices, I would recommend to just click this here, use this filter, headphones only, and then you will see all the frequencies that are actually good, that you can actually use for headphones. So it's filtered for pain now. This is why you just have a limited amount here, but we have really loads and loads of frequencies also if you're just using it with your headphones. The reason is that certain frequency ranges cannot be covered with headphones. So if it's below 20 Hertz, it's not covering. The headphones, regular headphones, cannot cover this range. This is why we made it easy for you with these filters. You can use it however you want. This is just a suggestion, and it will give you the best advantages to really get the vibrations, get the frequencies to the cells and to the organs, wherever it needs to be, right? So if for any reason you cannot find the frequency that you're looking for, we have a very advanced technology now that you can just type in what you're missing or what you're looking for. So I could say I have burned my finger, and I just click here. I have to accept here the data protection, and then the tool will go out and look for a frequency. If the frequency is on our database, it will find it and it will deliver it to you. If it's not in our database, it will generate it for you. So it's custom generated frequencies for you. So here we have the frequency. We can just play it here. It will live generate it. This is the beauty. We don't have any pre-stored frequencies. We all do it live. We do everything very precise. You can stop it again. You can save it. And you see what is going on, how many frequencies are in there. You can also help us to rate it. This was a good result. We know that the engine is working very well. If for any reason you have a strange result, you can also report it to us by just clicking here and saying, this was not really what I wanted, and we will take a look at our engine and optimize it. This is important here. If you see this sign, if you wonder that, for example, if you use headphones and you put on the headphones, you try to listen to it and you say, but there's nothing here, I can't hear anything. Yes, a lot of these frequencies are below our hearing range. This is why we have marked it like that. Also, in the library, if you play something, you will see it is actually out of hearing range if you have a sign like this. There's quick buttons here. You can just click on them. It will generate you something for headache. If you say, I have knee pain, it's very fast, as you see. So if you have it in the database, it will be very fast. If the engine has to generate it, it will take a little time. But we can give you everything you want to. It's even possible to upload an image here. If you have, I don't know, something strange on your hand, you don't know what it is, or you have problems with your hair or whatever, you can just take a picture of the issue and upload it. And then basically the generation engine will look at it, and we use artificial intelligence to look at the image and generate a custom frequency for you. We also have the playlists. I will not go into very detail with this because we are already over 10 minutes, but you can simply create playlists here. So you can create your own playlist. We'll just call it test and create the playlist. And from this point on, you can actually go back to the library and I can click here. This means add to playlist. I can just select it here and it will be added to the playlist. So if I go back here, click on here, you will see that I have the depression now in the playlist. I can click on it. I can rename it. I can, if I have more than one frequencies, I can change the order. and then I can play it. When we are back to the dashboard, one thing I want to show you, you can also contact us, of course, here, contact and support. You can reach out to us here. You have the email address, you have the contact form where you can reach us, and this is the way you can use the app. Please let us know if you have questions, suggestions, and so on. I will do an advanced tutorial with all the detailed features in the next days. I see you. Bye-bye. Hope it was useful for you.